in and out, man. And you'll walk, smells, and let's go. Come here. Hey, what's up?
Hey, how are you?
All right, and yourself?
Good.
Good. They are real butt sniffers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Have a good day, man.
Hey, you too. Ready? Maybe not, huh? Oh, perfect. You go in.
How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
All right. Pretty good.
Don't feel too bad tonight. Sun's down.
Nah, I'm right. Feel a little bit better. Better than 90 degrees. What's up? How you doing? Hello. Yeah.
Hi, Shadow. Being naughty.
Oh, Amazon. Yeah, and I think I had it customized. Was it? Cause yeah, it's got his name on there, Shadows.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just was like getting darker earlier. Like that's a good move.
Yeah. Definitely. I'm tripping. I'm thinking you talking about the vest. The vest is from Amazon too.
The one that lights up.
Yeah, the light there. Yeah, that's definitely from Amazon. And they got some that come in different colors. Yeah. Everything is on Amazon.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Dumb question.
But they got different colors and stuff too. If you want a different color. Wow. That is so cool. That's cool.
I'm looking at your dog.
Oh.
Very pretty.
Oh, right on. Right on.
That's Shadow.
Yeah, Shadow.
Oh, that one.
Hey, what's up, Mark? How you doing?
Hello.
Happy to see Shadow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he saw him coming. He's like, I gotta go see him. Hey, Shadow.
Shadow seems like he's finally starting to be a lot more friendly.
He's going farther from
Yeah, slowly but surely, but yeah, it's happening.
Yeah, his tail's up.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
What's going on?
Can you mention me? We'll talk about me.
August, no.
Hello, how you doing?
Doing well, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Good.
Good boy, Shadow. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
That's great. I see you, man. I see you. Oh, wow. That's a lot. How your day going today, Mark?
Today, it's good.
Good.
Today is nothing. Today is finally a rest day.
Oh, yeah. That's wonderful, man.
Past couple days have been a little hectic.
Mm-hmm. Rest.
I had I had a sleep study to be done at like at noon on, what is this, Friday?
Thursday. Yeah,
So this was Tuesday, and I made it at noon because when I made it, I was working and I go to sleep during the day. But now I'm sleeping during the normal, so the night before I didn't go to sleep. I forced myself to not go to sleep, so I'd be ready to go to sleep with all these fucking things wired to me. So I go in there and they say, "Oh no, this is just a consult." I'm like, fuck, all right, well then I do this and I go home and sleep. So then they started making appointments and they said, well, they were looking it up, they're like, can you go tonight? And I was like, fuck no, because I have picketing on Tuesday. I'm like, well, if it's not tonight, if you're talking like December or January, god damn it. Fine, I'll skip picketing, and that's $300 gone. I'm like, but I need to do this. So I went home again and couldn't sleep again because I had to go in at 8.
Get your little last meal in, so we can go on to the crib. Yeah, but with them vending machines, you ain't got to deal with people on that either.
I
you know?
Man, it's just starting. And then but then you got to go talk to business owners and try to get in there.
But once you get one of them, it's kind of like, oh, I did that now.
Yeah.
I can do 100 more.
True.
Yeah.
But again, it's not initial.
Yeah.
It's the initial.
Hey.
All the time. What's up? How you doing?
Hello.
Go now.
Why you have to block? Come here. Come here, Shadow. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
You gotta have fun.
It was decent. Come on. It was very decent. Oh, he ain't gonna make it. Hold this for me, please. Oh!
Sort of like this is.
He just tripped a little bit, but not too much. Alright, y'all, this is Shadow and me. We about this piece.